Let's talk about rejection, okay? When you're prospecting and you keep calling people and you say, hi, I was just calling to see if you might be thinking of selling your house, and they say no, and you say, do you have any plans of moving ever? And they say no. That's not rejection. You're just taking a survey. They're not interested in selling their house. I'm not either, by the way, but I wouldn't be rejecting you. So I think it was Tommy Hopkins who once said, I get paid in direct proportion to the amount of times I can hear the word no and still keep on trying. So that's the goal. You want to hear as many no's as you can, because there's a certain percentage of the contacts or the conversations you have that will be a yes intersprinkled through all the no's. So how many no's can I get in one day should be the contest you're trying to win, not how many yeses, because you don't have control over the amount of people that answer the phone, the amount of people that are nice, the amount of people that want to move, the amount of people that admit it when they want to move. You know, kind of that's God's job. You're just the input guy. Don't be the output person. So just focus on getting as many no's as you can each day, and I promise you, you're going to get as many yeses as is possible. So if any of this makes sense to you, we'd love to help you. If you're earning less selling real estate than you wish you were, you're open to the idea of having some help with that, you can call me anytime at the number that's down here. Go to fearlessagent.com, watch all of our training videos, and see if it might be a good fit for you. Watch our free test drive webinar. And again, you can call me anytime because I want to make you a fearless agent. Thanks.